Are construction workers, motorcycle delivery drivers, and couriers risking legal consequences while engaging in organized stalking? Are construction workers, motorcycle delivery drivers, and couriers risking legal consequences while engaging in organized stalking? Welcome to the hilarious world of organized stalking. Imagine this: you're a construction worker, tirelessly hammering away, ready to build the next great skyscraper. But wait, you're also moonlighting as an organized stalker. Yes, that's right, you've turned to chasing an individual around, believing that your not-so-subtle whispers and lurking shadows will win this person's heart. Oh, the romance. Why would a delivery driver have the audacity to stalk? Picture it: a motorcycle delivery driver zipping through town, dodging traffic, whilst obsessively tracking down a certain someone. I deliver food, but I also deliver my undying devotion, they might say, as they ride through red lights just to appear in front of their unsuspecting crush. Spoiler: delivery isn't the only thing that's being served here. It's a side of creepy obsession with extra cringe. The comic relief Couriers of Chaos. For a more in-depth analysis of this issue and possible countermeasures, please check out the blog post. You can find the details in the description box or the pinned comment. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to support our content.